Hello there. My name is Dr. Abhinandhan Punit. I am a consultant orthopedic and robotic joint replacement surgeon at Narayana Health City, Bangalore. We are here today to talk about joint replacement. This is a surgery which is being offered by a orthopedic surgeon for advanced arthritis in the joints. Now, anybody who has arthritis in their joints can be treated non-operatively using medications and physiotherapy, but if the arthritis is advanced, then we offer them joint replacement. So joint replacement, as the name itself says, we are not going to replace the joint. It is the surface replacement where we shape the bone and clear all the arthritic part, and we reshape the bone to take the molds which are usually made up of cobalt chrome alloy and polyethylene plastic. Since the arthritic part is taken off, the gliding surfaces are smooth, patients will have a painless mobile joints. Now, the most commonly performed joint replacements are in the order: one is knee replacement, second is hip replacement, and the third one being a shoulder replacement. These are very successful surgeries, and it can really change the quality of life for patients who are suffering from joint arthritis. Thank you.